If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Facebook, follow these steps to ensure that the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Facebook app or website. Access your Facebook account by launching the app on your mobile device or visiting the website on your computer. Log in if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to your transactions. Go to the Settings or Account menu and find the section labeled Payments or Transaction History. This is where you can view all your recent transactions. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. In the transaction history, look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending, indicating it has not yet been completed. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on or tap the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to that specific transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a notification confirming the cancellation. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for assistance.